Up next on Sci-Fi Fantasy, Greenstrawberry's PE set for the USS Excelsior. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiFantasy.com and welcome to another video unboxing. First off, we'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. This way we can check it out and we can show it to you also. And if you haven't been to their site, please go check out greenstrawberry.cz. It's right over here. In the last pre-taped video that I made a mistake by saying there is free shipping. There's not free shipping. That was a long time ago that there was free shipping on their items, but when you do go to the site, you get your product, you put it in the cart. When you go to checkout, you will see your shipping option. So I apologize for that. That was my mistake, thinking that there was still free shipping. There isn't. So when you go there and you purchase something, there is shipping, and it's actually quite reasonable coming from the Czech Republic to the United States if you're ordering that way. So what are we going to be looking at today? The 1/1000 scale PE set for the USS Excelsior. This is actually a kit that I don't have and I have to grab, go on my Christmas list and stuff like that. Hopefully I get it for Christmas. I didn't get any birthday presents. So enough talking out of me. Let's get over to the bench and check out the product. And as you guys know by now, we're going to start off with what kit it is. It is kit 07619-1/1000, and this is the 1/1000 scale USS Excelsior NX NCC 2000 detail set for the AMT kit. The kit, as usual, comes in the cellophane wrapper with the pull tab right here. This way you can open and close it, put it back. It comes on the hard cardboard backing to keep your PE straight, and of course the PE is on the front. So let's tear into the package and see what we have going on. So we'll start off with the instruction sheet as we always do. At the top it'll have the kit number, and then it shows you it comes with 2 frets of PE. Then it goes through some warnings, and then it has the icon or the key to show you exactly what's going on during the build. And then I don't have the kit, so I'm assuming they put in a shuttle bay for the kit, so it'll start out with that. And it's a few pages long because there are 2 sets of PE in here. Still goes through the many steps of the shuttle bay here and here. And then you flip through. It's a highly detailed set. There's a lot to add onto the ship itself. It's going to look much, much better than it did before. You have windows for around the saucer. Then you have parts for around the neck. And then more parts for the rear of the saucer. And then you have the phaser arrays for the saucer itself too. So those are the instructions, always clear, as Greenstrawberry always does. So let's see the PE set. So we'll start out with the first set of PE. Sorry about the reflection. The PE is very bright, the brass is very bright, so it's reflecting a lot. This set actually has a lot of the shuttle bay on here. Actually, it's most of the shuttle bay. I was looking at these rigid parts here, and they look like they go inside the ship. I'm not sure why, but on the instruction sheet, you can see like where the pins would be, and it looks like it goes inside. I don't have the kit, so I don't know if there's anything inside that you're supposed to see, but that's where they look like they're gonna go. The sensor array, this is all in here. This is all the shuttle bay and stuff like that, so you can build yourself up a nice little shuttle bay if you want to open up the back. That's what it looks like to me from the instructions. Like I said, I don't have the kit itself, so it's a little tough for me to see exactly where everything is going. And Lucas does have on the instruction sheet where it goes, but it's not like having the kit in front of you to see all of that. But it is nicely detailed. This is very, very thin brass over here, so you have to be careful popping these off, otherwise you're going to bend it out of shape and have a little trouble getting it back in place where it belongs. And like I said, this is shuttle bay, all of that over there. So everything's nicely detailed. You got a couple small pieces over here, and we'll take a look at the second sheet of the kit. Now this is the second sheet of PE, and this has more exterior components on it, such as all the windows over here. You have some windows down below. You also have the phaser arrays over here and over here. These 2 pieces here are for the bridge on either the NCC 2000, which would be this one, and there's also an interior wall which I think was on the other sheet, and this is for the NX 2000. So you're able to do either version with this set here. So if you're building a bridge and stuff, you're going to have that extra detail inside, which is pretty cool. Again, this sheet comes with some seriously tiny parts over here, so please be careful if you get the sheet cutting those off. You don't want those going flying anywhere. And some more very tiny pieces over here, which are highly detailed for the size that they are. So that's what we have on the PE sheets. A lot of exterior components, your shuttle bay, and also 2 different versions. But instead of just looking at these, we'll run through a slideshow right now and show you these pieces on the ship itself. Well, that's it for this unboxing. Another great kit from Greenstrawberry. This will dress up the kit really nice, make it look that much better. Again, thanks Lucas and the guys over at Greenstrawberry for sending this over so we could check it out. Everybody go check out greenstrawberry.cz right over here. Fast shipping, very reliable, and if you got any questions, you can always ask Lucas. He'll get back to you as quickly as he can. If you have any questions or comments about anything in the video, or have any questions or comments about anything on the channel, please drop it in the comments section below. I get back to you pretty quick because I get the notification on my phone and answer as quickly as possible. This is the last Greenstrawberry kit that I have right now, so once we get more in, we'll be doing more reviews, or actually I should say unboxings. I'll save reviews as a different word for when we actually put them on the kits. So look for videos on the Frankenstein build and the Halloween build. Thanks again everybody for stopping by and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you tomorrow night for the live show for our unboxings. Have a great night everybody. Take care and bye-bye.